Weather is something that we always have to watch in Western and Northern Ontario. This is for January the 12th, 2021. Here's what we're watching in weather at NetNewsLedger. There are two weather systems we're watching tonight in the NetNewsLedger newsroom. First, NOAA in the United States is reporting that a slow-moving weather system will lead to a prolonged period of snow across the western shores of Lake Superior in Minnesota starting on Wednesday night. There is the risk of a brief period of freezing rain that will be possible when the precipitation starts. Snow will then continue for Thursday and into Friday before ending Friday night. Lake effect snow will then continue along the northwest Wisconsin snowbelt into Saturday. The highest snowfall is expected across parts of the Minnesota Arrowhead and much of the northwestern parts of Wisconsin, with totals over 4 inches looking likely. With this being a prolonged event, multiple commutes are expected to be impacted starting on Thursday morning. Now, looking into Friday, the Weather Service in the United States says that the heaviest snow, potentially 15 to 30 centimeters, is forecast from northeastern Minnesota, northwestern Minnesota to the upper peninsula of Michigan and the northern shores of Lake Superior. We're likely to get a bit of that here in Thunder Bay. The second system we're watching is an Alberta Clipper that's blowing its way eastward. The second system is developing across western Canada. Right now, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and now parts of Manitoba are under weather advisories. This Alberta Clipper is bringing strong winds up to 100 kilometers an hour into southern and central Saskatchewan today. Regina is under a winter storm watch. Strong winds and blowing snow are developing Wednesday, according to Environment Canada. The Weather Service says that a strong low-pressure system will track across Saskatchewan on Wednesday. Strong west to northwest winds with gusts of 90 to 110 kilometers will develop by Wednesday afternoon. These strong winds will subside to below 90 kilometers an hour on Thursday morning, but will be blustery through all of Thursday. Snow, which at times will be very heavy, will track into the area on Wednesday night with the potential of local pockets of 5 to 10 centimeters by Thursday morning. The heavier snow will taper off Thursday morning, but some flurries will linger into Thursday night. This storm is tracking eastward. Already in Winnipeg, there's snow in the forecast, starting with freezing rain on Wednesday, which is forecast to turn into snow by late in the day. Kenora is forecast to see snow starting later this week as well. On Wednesday night, it'll start to become cloudy in the evening, and then periods of snow will start. There's a risk of freezing rain late into the evening and overnight. The snow will continue into Friday. In the longer-term forecast, there may be an end coming to the above-seasonal temperatures that Western and Northern Ontario have been experiencing. Environment Canada's senior climatologist David Phillips, as we first reported on January the 10th, says the colder temperatures are coming toward the end of the month. If Phillips is right, the weather term polar vortex is going to become the weather norm by the end of January. Now, the coldest temperatures of winter are often in January and February. Environment Canada is saying that there's likely to be a shift in the jet stream, which has been allowing that warmer Pacific air in recent weeks to block the colder Arctic air mass from moving south. The jet stream, if it starts to shift south, is going to bring cold Arctic air plunging into Manitoba to Quebec through northwestern and western Ontario and into the Maritimes. As always, there's nothing guaranteed with weather, and it's often well understood that it will not give us an easy chance to make a precise forecast. That last statement is one all of us here at NetNewsLedger completely agree with. Weather can be as predictable as it is unpredictable, but we promise to keep you up to date on the latest weather and information. And to do that, you have to subscribe to our Facebook channel, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the little bell that tells you that you can get those reports on your email box and on your alerts every time you log in. This is James with NetNewsLedger reporting from Thunder Bay, Ontario.